and I did it like, poof, I have to do something. Do you struggle with making your first YouTube video? Do you have that mental block where you just don't know what to talk about, what to make video about? Is this really topic for you? Is YouTube really something that you should be doing? If you are in this position, then I have to tell you, I were in a very similar position, and today I'm just gonna explain to you the mindset, the process in my mind that I went through when I was making my first YouTube video. And actually in the last 4 or 5 years I have made over 300 YouTube videos, and I have gained over 5 million views with my 2 different channels. But that first video that I have made on my Rookie Handyman channel, it's just something that sticks in your mind, and it's something that you will remember forever. And if you are struggling with making your first video, just stick to the story, because I will just try to explain to you how simple it is to start on YouTube and to make that first video. Now I'm gonna show you right here my Rookie Handyman channel, and as you can see, I'm here in the oldest section of my videos. And at the beginning of my Rookie Handyman channel, it was called How To channel back then. I basically had no idea what I wanted to talk about. I kind of had the idea that I want to do these do-it-yourself video, like maybe fixes, maybe tips and tricks, maybe repairs. I had no idea about what, and I was like procrastinating with it for like 1 year, maybe even 2 years, until I finally took action and until I finally started making those videos. And the point that I'm trying to get here is that first video, and actually those first 10 to 20 videos that you're gonna make on your channel, when you are just a beginner, when you are just starting out, it's really not important what those videos are about, because those first videos, you make them because of you. You don't make them for your audience. Those first videos, you have to make them so that you see how do you feel while making videos. What type of format do you enjoy making? Or do you like to see your face on a camera? Or maybe you just like to be behind the camera and just film the process of making a video, of doing whatever it is that you are doing on your video. Or maybe you like a presentation a little bit better, you know, a screenshot of presentation and just a small face of you in a corner. Maybe that's your style. And in those first 20 videos, you're gonna see if this niche that you chose, if it's really a good thing for you. Do you have enough content to talk about? Or is this just something that you came up on a whim? You were like, oh, AI is in a trend right now, I'm just gonna talk about AI, although I don't have such a good experience around AI, but hey, everybody is doing it, so I can do it also, right? And maybe I can have a successful YouTube channel. No, you cannot have a successful YouTube channel if you do not have some expertise or some experience around, or some passion around the thing that you are trying to do, that you are trying to show to your audience on YouTube. So that's the most important part. Those first 20, 10, 5 videos, it doesn't matter how many videos, they are basically for you, just to figure out what it really is that you want to do on YouTube. And as you can see right here from my Rookie Handyman channel, my first videos were all over the place. Yes, I actually did do it yourself and tips and tricks, but I did mechanical pencils, slides. I even did a video how to tie your shoelaces. I was like, why not? Let's make a video about it. Let's see how it goes. Maybe we'll get some views, maybe not. I was like, how to peel off a pomegranate. It's like all over the place. My first videos were all over the place. And then later I kind of got into my groove after 10, 20, 30 videos. I kind of got into my groove of, okay, this is one a little bit specific niche that I want to talk about, and I feel comfortable talking about this. And basically it was just fixes around my house with LED lights, or just in my garage. Those were the type of videos that I felt the most comfortable with making. And that's the most important part on YouTube. You basically have to be comfortable with making videos in order to keep making them over and over again, because YouTube is a long game. You know this, it's a long game, and it takes a lot of time for you to succeed on YouTube, and you want to do something that you actually enjoy doing. Okay, so I just played this first video that I have made on my Rookie Handyman channel just to see how bad it really is. Listen up.
Hey guys, welcome to the How To channel. Today I'm going to explain to you.
It was called How To channel back then. It was not called Rookie Handyman because I was like very creative with the name of my channel. And this is one additional tip that I want to give you. If you're stopping yourself from publishing on YouTube because you are afraid that people will recognize your name, or that people will learn that you are doing this YouTube stuff. Maybe you don't want to be known because you have a 9-to-5 job, or maybe you don't want to be known because of your family, like they're gonna judge you or not support you. That's totally fine, that's totally okay. You can always name your channel to the niche that you are doing. If I'm doing a woodworking, I can name it Woodworking with Steve, or Woodworking with my nickname Irfan, or whatever it is, or journaling, like I can just name my channel Journaling Channel. And I was like, I don't want to spend any more time not making any videos, and with the name of the channel I had to have a name, and I was like, these are gonna be how-to videos, so flick it, I'm just gonna name it How-To channel. And it actually was How-To channel for like 2 years, I think, at least. And then later I was like, okay, now I'm more of the handyman guy who fixes stuff around the house and garage. Okay, I'm just gonna go with the Rookie Handyman because I'm a rookie. I'm not like experienced handyman. Oh my god, I'm a rookie. And I went with the Rookie Handyman. But the point of the matter is, don't let the name of your channel stop you. If you want to name it with your personal name, perfect, because you are building a brand. And if you can't name it with your personal name, just name it something to your niche, something specific to your niche, something recognizable to your niche, and just move on from there. You can always switch or change your channel name later down the road. It's really not that important. Move on.
And here we also have one refill with 0.5mm LEDs. Everybody usually try to refill the pencil from the sharp end of the pencil.
As you can see, this is a very simple video. I was like, I have to make some video, and what I'm gonna make a video about, I basically had this one pencil on my table, and I was like, the LEDs I had no more LEDs in it, and I'm like, okay, I have to refill it with the LEDs. And I was like, wait a minute, I know 2 ways of refilling it. I can do it from this side and I can do it from this side. Maybe people out there don't know how to do it from this side, or maybe they have this side broken and they are not sure how to do it from the other side, and they just throw away this pencil. What if I show them how to do it from both sides? It was like a simple mindset process that I went through, simple thought that went through my mind, and I was like, okay, I can probably make a video about this simple process, put it out there, and maybe it can help somebody. And actually, if we scroll down to the comments of this video got 117 comments. And all of these comments are something like, thank you so much, this is the only video that actually helped me. Or, I don't know, thank you for this tutorial. Thank you a lot, brother, for this video. Thank you so much. I think this is the best way to fix it. You are a lifesaver, and so on and so on. Like, it's a simple process of inserting LEDs into a mechanical pencil, but for a beginner who just bought mechanical pencil, he doesn't know how to do it. He's not sure how to do it, and somebody needs to show him how to do it. That was my mindset around this video. And when I was making this first video, I was in this rut of 1 year or 1.5 years of trying to do something on YouTube, but I'm just not sure what my channel should be about. What should I be talking about? What kind of videos should I make? Should I first learn editing and then upload my videos, or should I have like 20 topics to talk about and all the scripts and everything to have like a perfect script? And I was just getting sick of this overthinking, and I was like, I'm just gonna, today I'm just gonna film what comes to my mind. And the case was that I just had this process of inserting LEDs in a pencil, and I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna film this. I actually went that day, I went to the store, I bought myself the cheapest tripod I could find. It was like $6, I think, something like that. And I just put my phone on the tripod. I filmed the process actually first. I filmed the process, and then later I took my voice notes on my phone and I recorded the process of voiceover over this process, because yeah, I didn't know any other way to do it. Like it's a simple process of making a video. And look, today this video has 90k views. 3 years ago, but it's actually 4 years ago, it has 90k views, which means that 90,000 people actually watched this video. And yeah, probably 50% of them got some value from this video. And I did it like, poof, I have to do something. What I'm trying to convey to you right here is basically, don't overthink your first video. Whatever you decide to make, or whatever type of video you decide to make, you can always delete it. It's not that important. Those first 20 videos, they are about you, about making you feel comfortable with making those videos. And if you don't like it, you can always delete it. Like I can delete this whole channel if I don't like it anymore. And actually, my friends and family, maybe they will ask me just once, oh, what happened with Rookie Handyman? And I would be like, I just lost desire to do it. And they will be like, okay, and move on with their life, because they don't really care that much about you and what you do with your life. They care about themselves. So do not focus too much on the outside environment and thinking about how is this going to look, how is this going to affect my life, is this really something that I should do, what will my friends think, what will my family think. Like, to hell with them all. You are the most important person right here. You, if you have passion, if you have knowledge, if you have experience around some topic that you are passionate about, it is your obligation and it is your duty to share it with the world. And I know this because I see so many people who actually have this enormous passion, enormous drive for a certain thing, but they are just like, I'm not sure how I'm gonna look on a video. I'm not sure if I know that I'm like an ugly guy, and I'm afraid what people might think of me. It's like, brother, sister, it's not important what they think of you, because the person who actually want to learn from you, they don't care how do you look, how do you present your video. They actually care about the value that you are giving them in your video. So if you have value to give, everything else, it's not important. The value that you are providing in your video, that is the most important aspect here. And if you have that, it is your obligation and your duty to make that YouTube video. Now, if you are struggling with, the processes of making that video, the upload process, or whatever else on YouTube, I highly recommend to checking out our YouTube Hobby Academy. I have it right here. Let me just pull it over. YouTube Hobby Academy. As you can see right here, we have a community of like-minded people who just like to network with one another, and they just like to, ask questions, ask for feedback, share knowledge, share mistakes, share tips. And if you are like, actually in this June month of 2025, we have a challenge going on. If you have never uploaded your first video, get into the group and we're gonna make you upload your first video. It's a simple process. You cannot go wrong with it, brother. You just have to upload it. And yeah, in the classroom, we also have courses on how to do certain things on YouTube. So if this is something that sounds interesting to you, go check it out. I hope you have found some value in this video. One more time, if you have passion, if you have experience, if you have knowledge, those are only things that you need in order to put yourself out there. And do not care what other people think. They don't care about you anyway. You are the main character in your story. So if YouTube is something that you actually want to do, go do it. And if you want to see what 10 lessons I have learned for making over 250 YouTube videos, then check out this video right here. I sure do wish some of these lessons somebody told me sooner, so make sure to check it out. See you guys in the next one.